great software developer has the qualities of being passionate about the thing he does and will to learn new things. The mobile developer should come to us to get an intro into this new technology and to talk to other people and share experience.
With Urban Sports Club, we want to motivate people to live a healthier lifestyle, and everyone is motivated differently. Gamification is a great method to motivate people to do sports. When we innovate, we try to walk in the shoes of our members and partners on the other side. Join us for the next Coder workshop on May 5th at the Urban Sports Club headquarters in Berlin. Meet experts and learn from our product and tech team about React Native and product design. And